On today's video, I'm going to show you a couple tricks on how I turn color pencil pen blanks and how I do it to keep the colors intact and keep the pencils from flying apart. Square your blank without using a end mill squaring device. Use a sander, use the lathe. Don't use the pen mill, it'll tear it apart. Use TBC bushings. When you use a mandrel with this, you're more likely to have a bow in it, even though you won't be able to tell, and that will create tension and torsion. I don't know if that's the right word, but it sounded really good, torsion. And you're more likely to bow and pop parts out. Have thin CA available. You're going to need a lot of thin CA for this. Although I've turned them without using any CA, my last pen that I did a video on, the color pencil fountain pen, I used 0 CA on it. It worked awesome, but use CA, it'll save you a lot of heartbreak. Good sharp tools and light cuts. And I know you always hear sharp tools, light cuts, but I'm talking literally light cuts. We're gonna use just the very corner of this, and we're gonna shave off just a hair every pass. Before sanding, a thin coat of CA will save you a lot of trouble with the colors bleeding. So hope these tips help you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And please check out turnerswarehouse.com for pen making and turning supplies.